Hey everybody, it's Jerry. I'm out here at the Gateway Campus at CVTC. Our Gateway Campus consists of our Manufacturing Education Center and our Applied Technology Center. Right here you're looking at the Commons area of the Manufacturing Education Center. This is a place where students can come in, they can take a break from classes, they can grab something to eat. We also have study help available for the students as they need it. So let's take a look at some of the programs we have out here, and we're going to start with our welding program. We're in the Welding Lab right now, and this is where the first year students start their educational process. They're in here learning the basics of welding, they're learning metals technology, they're also getting into a little bit of the robotics and fabrication. If they choose to go on to the second year, they'll head over to the Fab Lab where they learn more techniques, more advanced techniques in fabrication, robotic welding, and strength testing. Let's head over to the automation program next. Here in the Automation Lab, students are learning to control machines that make stuff. So if you like fixing stuff and you like seeing how things are made, this would be a great program for you. We're going to head over to Machine Tool next. We're down here in the Machine Tool Lab. This is a place where you take stock material and turn it into cool things. So if you like making cool things, this might be the program for you. We're going to head to the Prototype Lab next. We're now in the Applied Technology Center. Right here is our Prototype Lab. Our manufacturing, engineering, and mechanical design programs use this quite a bit. This is where they take their ideas and their drawings from their CAD programs and 3D modeling programs and turn them into viable things. We're going to head up to the Mechatronics Lab next. The last stop on the tour is the Mechatronics Lab. This is a place where students use their mechanical skills to keep those machines running. They use pneumatics, hydraulics, they get into drivetrains and pumps, all sorts of cool things. So if you like working with your hands, this would be a good program for you. So that's CVTC Gateway Campus. The real cool thing about all these programs out here is you've got lots of options. You can go as short as 1 semester all the way up to a 2-year associate degree. So if you're interested in any of the programs, please give us a call to schedule a tour or check out the website cvtc.edu. Thank you.